Well, today we're testing out frozen pizza on the griddle. So this is my Weber Spirit 2. It is the 300 series, which is their moniker for 3-burner systems. This has been converted over to a griddle. It's got the griddle insert. I've had it for a couple months now. As I continue to fall in love with this thing, I want to know if this is a viable option for cooking pizza. So today we're cooking a frozen pizza instead of a homemade pizza, just to kind of test where the parameters are for cooking pizza on these things. So I have got a Red Baron pizza that we have doctored up a little bit with some thyme and oregano and a little extra fresh parmesan. On the back of the box, it does have a pan method. We're following along with that. So they say 400 degrees for 21 to 23 minutes. We're riding between 410 and 420 degrees right at the center section there. So without any further ado, I'm gonna go in the house and grab our doctored up frozen pizza, and we're gonna see, does the pan method work? And if it does, we're trying this with homemade pizza. Let's get cooking. So here we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right in the center. Close the lid like an oven. And Andy and I are sitting right here. We're gonna keep an eye on it. And we'll let you know. How close are the instructions? We're just 5 minutes into it. Andy and I just poked our heads in here real quick. We are maintaining right at 400, so that's good, but we noticed a slight burning smell, and the bottom is getting pretty black. So certainly won't be on there for 21 to 23 minutes. I'd like to see that top get a little more cooked. What do you think? Should we turn the middle burner off?
I think so.
We're going to turn the middle burner off and see if that helps any. We could probably eat it now, but I'd like to see that top get a little more done. Yeah. So we're going to keep an eye on it and keep you guys in the loop. This isn't a pizza oven. All right, we're at the 10-minute mark. We're going to pull it regardless of what it looks like on the top, because I really don't want a burnt bottom. So actually, it doesn't look too bad, to be honest with you. Well, go ahead and let this rest for a few minutes. We'll get it cut up. So our middle burner was off for the second 5 minutes. It's only on there for a total of 10. I'm just gonna let everything rest a little bit, cut it, and then we're gonna see what's 10 minutes at 400 look like. It's simmered down for a few minutes. Let's go ahead and cut into this thing and see what's the flat top like. Ooh. Houston. It's not even cutting.
Nail crunchy.
Mm-hmm. We'll get there, one way or the other. I actually had to use some muscle on that. Pick a piece, see what the bottom looks like, and show the camera.
That's not terrible.
It's not terrible. You can see though, certainly cooked from the bottom up. Because you see the top is about where I like it, but the bottom, Ready?
Yep.
don't care for it. The texture's not bad, but it's got that bitter, burnt flavor.
Yeah.
I changed my mind. We're going down to the dollar store to get another one of these. So we're gonna test another one all the way low and see if it'll cook more evenly without burning the bottom. I don't like this. I muscled down 2 pieces, but it's just got that disgusting burnt flavor to it, and I don't know, guys. I'm feeling like tonight I need some redemption. All right, you ready?
I am.
Round 2. Bottom does look way better. You guys see that? It's still a little stiffer than I'd care for.
Oh, that's hot.
Whoa, whoa. Mmm. Okay. I can accept this one.
It needs a few minutes to cool down though.
It needs a few more minutes to cool down. It doesn't have that bitter burnt flavor though.
No.
The texture's not what I'd want.
Very crunchy.
I'm afraid if we took it off any earlier, the top wouldn't have been done.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'd be complaining about something different. So I can't remember if we told you, but this did make it. No, I did. 22 minutes.
Yep, 22.
So we actually kind of followed the
full time.
We kind of follow the directions.
Yeah.
So just because what's showing in the cook area was a different temperature, the griddle was 400, a little higher.
Yeah.
So we might be onto something. I can accept this though. This
is something to be perfected.
Yeah, and this doesn't make me want to run down the road and get a third pizza. The first pizza, I was like, this isn't dinner. I'm okay with it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, ow. Oh, it's so hot. You know, and at the end of the day, if anyone's still watching is like, well, who cares? Just cook it in the oven. It was 95 today. I'm already paying money to cool down my house. Why not come outside and heat up the outdoors more?
Yeah.
So, and I'd really like to figure out a good way to make homemade pizza on the griddle. I guess that's a thing. So, actually, to be honest with you, the more I go through it, the more I kind of like that texture.
Yeah.
That's a good crunch. I kind of like it.
It's like a pizza cracker.
It's like a pizza cracker. I'm okay with it. So, anyway. Guys, I thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that this inspired you to try new things at home. That's what this video is about. Try the same thing using different tools. Andy and I had a lot of fun doing this tonight. Appreciate you so much. Make sure you're subscribed. If you don't mind, hit that like button. And I'll see you next week. Be well.